Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Philip Colbridge and this is my beautiful wife Giselle Colbridge, and we are at a special new listing here in Avalon Park in East Orlando, Florida, and we have a very hot listing here, and I mean hot, hot, hot. We are in a 1,747 square foot 3-2 totally upgraded home that overlooks conservation in the front with a huge nature trail. You'll see that here in the drones. We also have Avalon Elementary steps away, the community pool right behind the house basically, and the Downtown Avalon with all the shops, more than 10 restaurants. They have community events periodically, lots of activities that you can all walk to or bike around. So we're in a very nice street, quiet as you can tell, and we want to come check it out for you. So let's go. Okay, so right when we enter the quaint home, we have 2 bedrooms up front here with the laundry room centered, washer and dryer included, and a full bathroom here as well. So you'll see more in the photos. And then we have the expansive family room here with lots of natural lighting and an open floor type concept. But wait till you see the master. Giselle?
Alright, and now we are in the master suite. As you can see, it's a very spacious room where you can have a king size bed and a dresser. Everything fits in this room. It's also very bright. We have these 2 windows here. And then we come this way to the master bathroom, where you see marble countertops. You have a bathing stall over there, and you have also a tub here. Also highly desirable white cabinets. You have to see it. Let's go check out the kitchen now. And now we come in the kitchen where we have this very spacious island with double sink where you can receive your guests and have lots of quality time. We have also this upgraded light fixtures, and you can see over here, like, this kitchen is really beautiful. We have white cabinets, granite countertops, the backsplash, and also stainless steel appliances.
Absolutely, and lots of space. Again, the kitchen overlooks the living room and then the family room addition over there. And we have a cute nook here as well, plenty of natural lighting. And so let's go check out the back.
Wow, and then we come to the enclosed patio, this nice area here where you can enjoy the Florida weather.
Absolutely, and then we're gonna come into the backyard here where we have a good amount of space. It's already nicely fenced, some vegetation here as well. And then we have the 2-car garage with the back alley. And so very convenient, very quaint here. And so that's the house. You gotta come give us a call. The number's on the screen. Schedule your showing and come check it out in person. That'll do it justice.
For more information, also visit our website, www.toporlandohomes.com. We are Giselle and Philip Colbridge with Top Orlando Homes and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty.
Thank you.